Hello, my name is Luke Seymour, and in this video, I will be walking you through my AutoCAD assignment and explaining how I use the software. Alright, to kick things off, let's talk about the model space, which is basically the main drawing area. The large image that is shown is what the space looks like. This is where most of the work takes place, and it is where I use majority of the tools. Some of the key tools I worked with for this project included line, polyline, circle, arc, trim, copy, hatch, scale, rectangle, offset, and erase. These tools were essential for nearly every part of the assignment. I used the polyline and line tool to draw the house, property lines, street, sidewalk, driveway, and pathways, as well as the outline of the patios. Trim was useful to keep everything neat by cutting away extra lines. The copy tool was really helpful for duplicating shrubs, trees, and the three lounge chairs. The arc tool came in handy for creating the curved walkway and the rounded planning areas. Hatch was used to fill the crayon walkway at the front of the house, while the offset tool was used to create the interior walls of the house. The erase tool helped fix any errors along the way. One additional tool we used for the hedge was the revision cloud command, which allowed us to create the right shape. The drawing scale is set at 1:1, meaning everything is drawn to its actual size. We ensured accurate scaling by using a door as a reference, which is critical when providing dimensions to a contractor or builder for precise measurements. We also used a template that mirrored our final drawing. This served as a guide, helping us position shrubs, trees, patios, the fire pit, and walkways in the right locations. Having this template sped up the drawing process compared to starting from scratch. To ensure everything was properly sized, we used the scale reference I mentioned earlier. Layers were incredibly useful for keeping the drawing organized. Everything was color-coded, and I could hide layers to reduce clutter and avoid confusion. Assigning each element a distinct color and layer was a big help. For example, all proposed shrubs and trees are dark green, while existing trees are light green. The property line is red, the raised beds is blue, and the house is white, and the fire pit and patio are orange. Organizing layers this way kept me focused and made navigating the drawing much easier. Blocks were another key component of the drawing. The blocks that we used were the lounge chair and the two tables. They were sourced from the CAD Block Network website. Using these pre-made blocks saved time compared to drawing each piece of furniture manually, and it also made it easier to scale everything to the correct size. All three blocks are properly scaled and fit within the 1:1 ratio. The printing process was pretty simple. All it involved was going into Layout 1, making a viewport to ensure that the entire drawing could print within the perimeter, making sure the drawing had a good scale factor that made the entire drawing visible. The one I used was 1/16 of an inch equals 1 foot, and hitting print. The picture you see is how the viewport looks in AutoCAD. In conclusion, AutoCAD was essential for completing this project effectively, with features like model space, layers, and blocks, helping keep the process organized and accurate. It's a versatile and user-friendly tool that made the design process smoother. With that being said, thank you for watching.